Hi, my name's Acacia and I sell ColorStreet. Now what this is a nail polish strip. It's 3 layers of nail polish that you put on like a sticker. It is made in the USA. It's actually made in New Jersey and it's super easy to use. And as soon as they're on, you can go and do whatever you want. Just don't do dishes. You gotta keep them dry for half an hour. But you can get dressed and do your makeup. You can go walk your dog, but they're easy and they're fast. I'm a mom of 4, so I don't usually do my nails unless it's for a special occasion. But since I got introduced to these, I've been using them all the time. And I love them so much that I actually sell them now. So I'm gonna plug my little business card. And then in the comments below, I'll put a link. So if you're interested, you can order. Now I'll let you know that these strips are buy 3, get the 4th free, and the French tips are buy 1, get 1. I'm gonna give you some pointers before I get started. 1, make sure your nails and your hands are room temperature. If you live somewhere really cold, like right now, it's pretty cold outside, you're gonna wanna wait until your hands warm up and the strips warm up, because they're not gonna stick right if they're cold. The other is, when you're ready to do this, you're gonna wanna wash your hands. Dish soap's best. And then when you're done with that, and you open up your pack, that'll come like this. I already opened it because I already did a video today. But you're gonna get this, and you're gonna pull it out, and it's gonna be in this clear little container, and you're gonna get 2 strips that have 16 nails on them. So before you start with that, you're gonna wanna use the nail prep on your fingernails. And what that's gonna do, that's my baby. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna get all the extra oil off your fingers so that they stick better. I'm gonna skip the one I did. You're also gonna wanna file the ends of them, which I already did, but it comes with this so that you can do it before you start. So it comes with the nail prep to get the oil off, and then you're gonna wanna file the ends just in case you need to. Maybe you don't, and that's fine. Okay, so when you're done with that, you're gonna open these up and you're gonna put it against your finger. And you're gonna match to see which finger nail is gonna match best with that strip. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go with this one. Always do your thumbs last. Always go with a nail strip that's a little bit bigger instead of one that's a little bit smaller, because you can always take the extra off, but if it's too small, it's gonna show on the sides and you don't want that. You're gonna get it as close to the cuticle as you can. And if you need to take it off, just gently pull it right back off. I'm bad with pushing down cuticles. I don't like to do it because it hurts. So I just put mine underneath them. That's really up to you. The closer you get to your fingernail, the better it's gonna look. So once you're sure you have it pushed on, let's see. It's not close enough to the edge, so I'm going to gently pull it back off, and I'm going to move it. There we go. I like that better. Okay, and once you have that on, you're going to pull the side down. Woo. And you're going to file in one direction. And it's gonna start just ripping off. Now, I never used the Gymboree, the ones that were really popular. I heard they were hard to use, and I get that because they're a vinyl. This isn't a vinyl, this is real nail polish. And that's it. It's one nail. The same way, you're gonna go across the edge, make sure you clean anything off. And then ready to do anything, just not dishes. or shower. But you can do anything else. Anything that doesn't involve water for half an hour. And then I'm gonna go to the next one. I'm thinking that looks like a good fit. Remember, save your thumbs for last, which I have to repeat that to myself because I always want to do my thumbs because I know now which nail fits my thumb perfect. So I'm going to show you something else. This one, I can usually get 2 fingernails out of 1 strip. If you have really long nails, you're not going to be able to do that. But if you don't have super long ones, it shouldn't be an issue at all. You can either use scissors. I've seen people do it that way. I usually just still do the file and I just rip it off. See? I just ripped it off. Like I need to fix that edge, but that's it. And I'm going to take this other half and I'm going to pick a nail. I'm going to add it to that one. Out of 1 strip. Because somebody actually asked me that earlier today because they said, do you have small ones for your toes? I'm like, I can do my hands and my feet in 1 set because they give you little tiny ones and I usually can get like 3 toenails out of that. Not your big one, obviously, but they give you so many that with 16 strips, I can easily do my fingernails and my toenails. And just rip off. Now when you go on to ColorStreet's website, if you go under me, Acacia, which is the link that we'll have down below for you, if you decide to order, make sure you order under a party. And why I say that is there's always a party open. And if you order off of that person, they earn free product. If you don't want to order off of them, you can order off of me. I'll have one open. And with anything I earn, I use towards giveaways. So I'm going to have in my next video, I'm going to start doing a giveaway. This is my first one. So we'll see how this one goes. If we do well, I'm going to definitely do a video one where I'll have a box and everybody that orders a buy 3 get 4th free, I will put something else in the box. And then out of all the people that ordered, I will pick one of the names. I'll see what your order history was so I know what you like. I'm not going to just send you something like say I'd send you glitter and you only like the solids. I don't want to do that. I want to send you something that you're going to really like. So I'll set that up for the next video. And if you guys have any questions, make sure to comment and I will get back to you. Now see, this one's too big. So what I'm doing, and this is why I always say thumbs last, I'm gonna use my thumbnail and just rip it off. Oh, never mind, I ripped it. I'm gonna redo it. Ooh, you alright? Mm-hmm. There it is. I was gonna say, I know I have 2 of those. You okay? Go get a drink, honey. I got that song in the background. Did you do that? Listen to the kids stuff and then it gets stuck in your head. Why you gotta be messing with me? Now, I told you about the website. I told you about the nail strips. I told you about getting all the oil off your nails. See? It's starting to shape up. Extreme close-up. Okay. Let's go with this one. I've never done my entire set on a video, so this is new to me. That is not really a child crying. That is just the show. See, it's hard because I'm trying to do it in the way that shows you, but if I like to have it closer to me so I can see it.